What's good, vlog? It's your boy Josh back with another video. It's another Datsun video. This is probably gonna be the final piece. I already got the duckbill on. I just got the hood fixed, resprayed by my boy Zach. And he also sprayed the air dam color match to the cadet blue. It looks good. I'm about to show y'all right now, and we're gonna put that on today. So yeah, I know y'all missed this car. Probably gonna make some changes this year, hopefully, but yeah. And I think this is the first time the vlog is seeing this car, but got the M4 right here. Hold on. What's going on?
What?
What are you doing?
Clean my car. About to be a sneaky link.
He's just doing a quick vacuum, but we're about to go. I'm gonna go pick up the Datsun right now.
Making waves, boy. And be making waves, boy.
So this is the front air dam right here in the original cadet blue paint. Same code as the car. My boy Zach, who painted my Z, painted this and it came out really good. I'm excited to put it on. Let's go. So yeah, hopefully, I mean, I've never really looked at the front stock, the front factory air dam. I didn't really look at it too much yet. So everything's gonna be fairly new today, but it shouldn't be that hard. Also, this is the hood right here. The previous owner, I guess, had a little damage right here. He went ahead and patched that up and fixed it, resprayed the whole hood for me, and it came out really good. It's gonna poke out to like right here, the front chin. So yeah. Boom. Got the stock air dam off. We got Waste over here. We got Harvey over here. Yeah. So it was 2 on the side where the wheel well is at, and then this is part of the stock front bumper thing. You just have to pull it off right here, and then there was 1 right here. Was there 2 right here or 1 right here? I think it was 1 right here. So there's 1 right here. 3 in the middle, which lines up with the aftermarket. 3 in the middle, and then the same thing, 4 over here. So yeah, it looks like it has an overbite or an underbite. Which one? Yeah, it'd be alright.
And we can just secure these 2 screws over here.
Alright, I'm about to put the camera down because the battery's dying. We're gonna put this one on. Homie Victor just pulled up. He just got here, but we just finished. He helped a little bit, not gonna lie.
I held a ball here too.
I think it looks a lot better. This is the final look. Oh yeah. Paint match came out really, really good. Damn. This thing looking clean now. I know I showed the M4 a little bit earlier, but tell us about it.
Full bolt on stage 2.
Why are you shy?
Pushing like 650 to the wheels.
650?
Yeah.
Okay. What is this replacing?
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never.
Huh?
What is this replacing?
The Q60. RIP.
Oh no.
But here's pictures of the Q60. Wow.
We haven't told the vlog, but in January the Q60 got totaled. But it's okay because we got, you know, the M4 now. Noah's happy with it. I'm happy for him. And this is Victor's M5 right here. It's pretty slow. I think it's like 250 horse. Yeah, let's talk about your M5 real quick.
Basically, it's a stock F10, maybe 500 to the wheel. Pretty much stock. It came like this, 100%. Nothing done to it.
Nothing done with it?
Yeah, this is how they make them in the factory. Oh yeah.
You got a little carbon right here.
It's fake. A little bit. Yeah.
It's fake? It's fake.
It's all fake actually. It's all actually all wrapped.
It's all wrapped, so it's the carbon's wrapped.
Yeah, all of it.
Hold on, let's check this out right here. So this is wrapped carbon?
Yeah, 100%, dude.
Okay,
wrapped.
cool.
This is wrapped. This is wrapped. This is wrapped. This is wrapped. Hey, he flexing his carbon, yeah.
Yeah.
You can even check the interiors.
Wow. Okay, this is pretty clean. What year is it?
2014.
2014 M5?
Yeah, F10, baby.
M5? Dang. Oh shit.
That's not a stop loss. You don't even need to do that.
I don't need to?
Nah, dude, check it out. Luxury. No, it doesn't have this.
What?
Yeah, dude. You don't got that.
And then this is the Veil side. I gotta show the vlog this. Crazy. There's a lot of shit going on over here. What y'all doing?
Check out the view, bro. You're the best view.
We just posted up to Cayena Point. I've been wanting to come here, but since COVID, this little lookout has been blocked off. So we brought the cars out, M4, M5, and then I brought the Z because it's been a while since I've been over here with the Z. Yeah, we came over here to shoot really quick.
Imagine M3, M4, M5. That would be so crazy.
Should I get an M3?
Black one?
Comment down below if I should get an M3.
M3!
M3, M4, M5, I don't know. The Datsun though,
It's for sale.
it might be for sale.
$5 grand.
I don't know. Look at the joints though. Got the Z, M4, and then the M5. So we're gonna take some pics real quick. Also, the homie Victor right here just started his YouTube, so go ahead and subscribe to him. What is it? Perp Media?
Yeah.
The homie Waze too. I subscribe to Waze and then subscribe to Perp Media. You know, we just out here just, yeah, if you like Beamers, if you like his M5 and stuff, you want to see more about it, he makes some good content and stuff. So yeah, and then Waze, I don't know what he's doing. Oh no, all right, hey, let's cut it. So just wrapped up taking pictures right here at the point. They came out pretty good. I'll put them on the screen right here. So yeah, those are all the pictures. If you want to see them, you can see them on my Instagram at joshvelez. Probably gonna head back now and go see what else there is to do. All right, so that's gonna do it for this video. It's like a week later now, and I love the air dam. I love the Datsun. It looks really good. There's still a couple little tweaks and things that I have to do with it. It's definitely broke a lot more necks just in this short amount of time than my 350Z. I guess it's not surprising because it's an older car, so it attracts older audience and younger audience, like young kids, like, you know, it's just pretty cool. It's a cool feeling. It's definitely a cool car, so I like the way it looks now and I'm happy with it. And I'm all dripped out right now because I don't think I've showed the vlog this either, but about a month ago or so, a couple weeks ago, I released some gear, some merch. I don't really want to call it merch, but it's kind of like just some things with, you know, my car, my 350Z on it. It's been over 4 years now since I've on the 350Z, and on the 4th year after doing everything that I said I wanted to do, the Rocket Bunny, the whole interior, suspension, the wheels, like literally everything that I set out to do for that car, I did it. And I kind of wanted to make it, you know, special because there's gonna be some changes. So I wanted to make something with the current version, you know, white, carbon fiber and everything that it is right now. So I have some beanies, I have some shirts, and it's all embroidered. You can kind of see more of it on my Instagram, at joshvelez. And you can look through the highlights. I think it's called merch or something. Also have a bunch of stickers too that glow in the dark. And before I forget, the person that drew this picture of my car is a good friend of mine. Her name is Malia. So yeah, she actually drew this. If you want to get your car drawn by her, make sure to hit her up. I'll put her Instagram right here somewhere. And yeah, so she actually drew this design, and I went ahead and, you know, this is a champion shirt. It's all good quality. It's all embroidered. The beanie's embroidered. And then lastly, I have air fresheners as well. 4 different scents: strawberry, new car, black ice, and clean laundry. So yeah, so I have some air fresheners, and they look like that. Really good packaging as well. Has the picture of the Z. And yeah, just some small little things. I wasn't too sure how the supply and demand was gonna be. Stickers, air fresheners, beanies, and shirts, but soon and later down the line, I do want to expand and make a lot more apparel. I want to make some hoodies. I definitely want to make more beanies in different colors, with different design. And yeah, I appreciate everybody that supported me this far. I think I shipped out over like 11 or 15 orders, which is pretty crazy to me because I literally just bought a whole bunch of stuff. I didn't even mention anything prior. I just, you know, I wanted to buy a whole bunch of stuff, and a lot of people turned out to like it and supported me and got some gear and stuff. So if you're interested, just go to my Instagram, shoot me a DM, and we could hook you up with some stuff if you're interested. So yeah, that's pretty much gonna do it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. If you liked the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more content with Noah and Victor and Harvey and all them, they're real good guys, man, and they're always fun to kick it with. So yeah, make sure to subscribe to their channels and go hit up their socials as well. Comment down below what else you guys want to see. And yeah, that's gonna do it. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.